What's up everybody, Derek here, and welcome to the creek. It looks awesome today. It's really shallow down through here. It doesn't look like it's even really flowing, so I don't know if it's going back underground or something, but it's holding water and it's down here in the shade. So I'm hoping there's some fish that will want to hit these right here. I got these GULP little crickets that are 1 inch long, and I am guessing that they stink because they got that GULP scent on them. But I'm gonna put one of these on a little bitty jig head, and I don't see any fish. I see a bass right over there right now. So hopefully that bass and some panfish will hit these things. So let's get to fishing. All right, I got my cricket on here, so I'm gonna put it right through the head of this thing. God, it's all slimy. Just like that. Yeah. Because of this biodegradable stuff, it kind of breaks a little bit, so I don't know how well these are gonna last, but we're gonna fish them. Whoa, the fish come from nowhere. Yeah, they're in there. Oh, got one right there. Nice. He didn't care, he smacked it. All right, thanks, bud. Oh, got another one from that tree. This is a better one, I think. Oh, it's a cichlid. Little guy, too. Thanks, buddy. Dang, this cricket is so jacked up. Let's see if I can put it back through it and catch one more maybe. Not really put on there great, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh, and I got another. Was that a green sunfish? Yep. All right, they in that tree. Dang, it's barely on there. Got it. Oh, that's a better one too. Man, they're all in that tree. Oh, and I lost it. Well, I caught one more on it. Dang, those things work good. All right, red breast. Got one. Man, they can't resist this thing. As soon as it hits the water, they're on it. Got one. What is that? Dang, that one's got a little weight to it. He smacked it so hard I lost the little cricket. Thanks, buddy. Dang, as soon as it hits the water, basically, they are just slamming it. Thanks, bud. And just caught him. Toss it back out there. Just kind of not even really reeling it since I'm above it. As soon as it hit the water. That's cool. Nice. I don't know what it is, but seems like everywhere I always am going, I'm seeing some kind of boat that's trashed, a jet ski, kayaks, I don't know. I'm just always finding the most random stuff. And it looks like somebody ditched this one, cut the back end out of it. Interesting. Well guys, I gotta say these things work. I caught a bunch of panfish. Not really any bass. I did see some bass in here, but doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of them. It seems like there's just a ton of panfish, but even where I was tossing in where you don't even see the fish, just fish come out of nowhere. It's like they're camouflaged completely, but I don't know if it's the scent or just that they're so hungry down here on this creek that they would just come flying out and nail these things. But I'm definitely gonna fish with these again. But thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.